How to import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify using Loox. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select Apps. Then you're going to tap on All Recommended Apps, and we just want to scroll down and select Shopify App Store. Once in the App Store, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in Loox, and you can select Loox right there, and you're going to install it. And it is completely free to install, and you can see that it has a lot of reviews, and we're going to tap on install once more. Once you have installed the app, you will be redirected to its dashboard, and we're going to tap on use Loox free. After selecting use Loox free, from here you can choose to change the icon style if you want. You can also choose to change the icon color or brand color. Then we're going to tap on continue. And when should we ask for reviews, you can select whichever one of these options. And we're going to tap on continue real quick. And do you want to offer a discount for submitting photo and video reviews? If that is the case, you can select whichever one of these percentages. And you're going to tap on continue once more. Then you'll select go to Loox admin. But before doing that, we'll be enabling Loox. So we're going to tap on enable. And it is going to redirect us to our editor page, and you want to go over to the left-hand menu option and ensure that it is toggled on, and then you're going to tap on save in the top right-hand corner. Once you have saved it, you're going to go back into your admin page, and then from there you're going to tap on go to Loox admin. After selecting go to Loox admin, what I want you to do next is go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to select reviews. After tapping on reviews, from there, you're going to tap on import reviews. Once you have selected import reviews, you have a few options, but for this example, we're going to be importing reviews from Aliexpress. So you'll select Aliexpress. Then you're going to tap on import to Loox. After selecting import to Loox, you can see you'll need to add it to the bookmark. So what you're going to do is simply drag this to the top right here and add it. Once you have added it, you're going to tap on go to Aliexpress. After adding go to Aliexpress, you're going to tap on the search bar, and from there you could type in the type of product that you would like to get a review from. So let's say, for example, t-shirts. So I'm just going to be selecting t-shirts right here. Once on the product page, you're going to tap on import to Loox from your bookmark. And then from there, you can see import to, and you want to select the product that you would like to add it to. So let's say, for example's sake, I want to add it to this t-shirt. After doing that, you can choose the amount of reviews that you would like to add. Also the ratings. After doing that, you can also tap on reviews from country, and you can also select the language. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on preview and import. Then you'll select import, and you can select import right there, and you can import the reviews by simply tapping on the reviews that you like to import. Once you're finished importing, you can tap on finish importing. Now if we were to go back into Shopify, what we're going to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and select Online Store. You're going to tap on Customize. Then from the top navigation bar, you're going to tap where you see Home Page, and you're going to select Products. Then we could tap on Default Product, for example, and we're going to tap on Add Section, select Apps. Then you can select to add the reviews. So for example, I'm just going to select product reviews widget, and you can see it right there. You can see that it has been added. Once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on save, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.